aendelee na program.
Madam Alice is trying her best to learn Kiswahili na kushukuru sana na kupongeza. Your Excellency, I beg to inform our guests there are two magazines in circulation here. The magazine from the Office of the President, 63rd Independence Day, and the magazine from the EPDF, Tarehe Sita. Let our guests enjoy the reading. Honorable Minister, you are welcome.
Your Excellency, President of the Republic of Uganda, Commander-in-Chief of the Uganda People's Defense Forces, National Chairperson of the mighty party NRM, our Chief Patriot and champion in the fight against HIV and AIDS, our hero in the fight of COVID-19, and champion of wealth creation, our presidential flag bearer 2026-2031, General Retired Mzee Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, you are most welcome to Kololo Independence Grounds. Mama, the First Lady and Mother of the Nation and Minister of Education and Sports, Mama Janet Kata Museveni, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Professor Kithure Kindiki, the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament of Uganda and Second National Vice Chairperson of the NRM Party and Woman Member of Parliament, Bukedea District, Right Honorable Anita Among, His Lordship, the Chief Justice of the Republic of Uganda, my Lord Alphonse Chegamoy Owiny Doro, former Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, High Excellency Mama Speciosa Wandira Kazibwe, and His Excellency Edward Kiwanuka Sekande, the Right Honorable First Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of East African Community Affairs and Woman Member of Parliament, Kamuli District, Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga, the Right Honorable Third Deputy Prime Minister and Minister without Portfolio and Woman Member of Parliament, Mayuge, Right Honorable Lukia Isanga Nakadama, the Vice Chairperson of the NRM Party, Alhaj Moses Chigongo, the Honorable Ministers present, the Honorable Members of Foreign Delegation, the Head of Public Service and Secretary to Cabinet, Ms. Lucy Nachobe, the Honorable Members of Parliament present, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Deputy Secretary General of the NRM Party, Honorable Rose Namayanja, the religious leaders and cultural leaders, all government leaders, the NRM fraternity, ladies and gentlemen, the Lord is good, and all the time, Your Excellency, on behalf of the organizing committee and all Ugandans, I wish to congratulate you upon your re-election as NRM National Chairman and endorsement as NRM Presidential Flag Bearer 2026-2031. Your Excellency, sir, Ugandans have been witnessing the massive rallies in the north where you have campaigned. This is a clear signal that the north is now speaking even louder and has challenged us who have stayed in the comfort zone for nearly 4 decades. The large crowds in the greater north are not an influence of politics, but largely they are testimony of the physical transformation that is taking place in the region, and the people are determined to keep it and support it. Your Excellency, today we are here to celebrate the 2025 Independence Day anniversary. However, we are here more so to amplify the achievements of the NRM. Your Excellency, sir, the 2026-2031 NRM campaign slogan of protecting the gains is a solid statement of pride in our 40 years effort. It can only be shunned by individuals that are short-sighted. Indeed, sir, I heard on radio and TV some short-sighted people claiming that they do not see the gains that you have to protect. Your Excellency, the NRM government has transformed Uganda in the areas of the economy, in the areas of infrastructure development, and regarding peace and stability. Your Excellency, as it is well stated in the 2026-2031 NRM Manifesto, consolidating of peace, infrastructure, service delivery, and economic transformation will be key in the next phase, but especially to safeguard the hard-won accomplishments that will propel Uganda towards high middle-income status. Your Excellency, sir, only those that did not witness the extrajudicial killings of innocent Ugandans, the detentions without trial, the absence of freedom of worship and speech, etc., are the ones that can wish to return Uganda to the past times. It was unacceptable for one to speak recklessly and go away with it. Many Ugandans who dared to speak out actually lost their lives. But today, no one stops those doing propaganda or speak recklessly about government. Indeed, our biggest challenge now is people speaking recklessly. I want to take this opportunity to thank the Presidential Press Unit and the Media Center for ensuring that this event is relayed live on television and radio. I thank the members of the National Organizing Committee, led by Haji Yunus Kakande, for the excellent coordination. Lastly, I wish to thank our armed forces for the wonderful parade today that has been very impressive. I thank you all, and I now take this opportunity to invite Your Excellency to come and address the nation. I thank you for your kind attention for God and my country.
The Right Honorable the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, who is also second Vice Chairman of person of the NRM, His Lordship the Chief Justice, His Excellency the Vice President of Kenya, who has visited us here, all the other visiting delegations, the cultural leaders, the religious leaders, the Vice Chairperson of the NRM, Achigongo, all the other leaders, and the Wananchi, the Deputy Chief of Defense Forces, and all the Wananchi who are here. Muri bulungi. Hamujambo. Greetings. I will make a short speech because the newspapers, the New Vision, and even the Monitor shocked itself by publishing the achievements of the NRM. When you hear a cow speaking, then you know that Jesus is about to come. When you hear the Monitor newspaper, when you see the Monitor